Okay, the G42SP. It's an entry-level machine, good for rental yards and small guys starting out doing stump cutting. It's equipped with a hillside or round conventional cutting system wheel with Leonardi tomahawk teeth. You have your rights, lefts, straights style with a cross-cut pattern. Also held by two bearings. This is driven by a poly belt drive. The main belt is driven by a regular banded V belt. This has for a safety feature to lift the cutter head and lock it into place for changing teeth. This is equipped with a 27 or a 38 horsepower Kohler engine. Also a good option is the click duals is what they're called. You can remove these wheels without any use of any tools. There's a lever inside here, you flip it down, give the wheel a quarter turn and it pulls right out.
Wow.
Also equipped with chip curtains to retain chips. You see one here on the back side of the cutter wheel. Also underneath the machine, and as well as this deflect here to help retain the chips underneath the machine. This also has a lock for the boom to lock the boom up as well. This has the electronic cutter head engagement where there's no belt slides, no tensioners. It's all done electronically by flipping the switch that engages the cutter head. You got your standard hour meter. Three heavy-duty cylinders, two for your swings right and left, one for your boom up and down. Also has a port relief to check pressures, to put a pressure gauge on. This is all done manually. You'll see you have your drive, reverse, forward, your steer, right and left, your boom, lower and raise, and your boom swing left and right. Also, this has your swing speed. You can increase or decrease the swing speed of your head just by simply turning this. Also has two settings for your drive speed, for your high and low. See the safety shutoffs for the gas tank and fuel as well. And your sight gauges, battery, easy accessible, the hood.